One of the main reasons why you may land in the spam folder while doing cold outreach is because your email copy has too many spam words. That's why in today's video I'll show you how to use a free email spam checker tool to check your email copy for spam words and other things that influence your deliverability. So to access this free email spam checker tool, go to Salesforge.ai/tools/email spam checker. So all you want to do is paste your email copy right here. For example, as you can see, I just wrote a terrible example. As you can see, it right away highlights what's wrong. So these words are considered spam words. So we should remove them for the best results possible. Now also, it says that our spin tags and variables are not reaching the right amount, meaning we need to spin tax our whole copy to get the best results possible. Also, since we're not using emojis, it's all good on that side, and words total, we're on the good side as well because we don't want to have our message too long. So what you would do then is edit or change all of these words that are highlighted. Here we go, we edited few words, we minimized our spam potential to 50%. What we should do next is also spin tax our copy, and you can do that by using other free tools like spin tax generator in Salesforge.ai. I made a full video about this and you can view it right here.